Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to check national address in Absher and update it. So let's start with the first step, which is open the Absher application and log in. So you have to enter your user ID or the email and the password, or you can also use fingerprint or face ID for faster access. Now if this is your first time, you can tap on the register new user to create an account first. So you have to make sure that your app is updated to the latest 2026 version from the application store or Google Play Store. Next step is go to General Services. So from the home dashboard, tap on the General Services tile. So this is where all the civil and identity related services live, including the national address. Next step is go ahead and tap on the national address. So scroll to the list of general services and tap on the national address. This is the row with the location pin icon. Next step is review your current address. So you will see your full registered national address, building number, street, district, city, postal code, and additional number, along with a map preview of the location. So you have to verify every field is correct. So if everything is right, you're done. So to change anything, tap on update address. Lastly is edit the fields and confirm. So edit any field that's out of date, building number, street, district, city, postal code, or additional number. So you can tap on confirm and save. So a green address updated successfully banner means the change is live across all government services. Now your new address is automatically synced with SPL, Saudi Post, and linked services. So there is no extra steps needed. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!